Hey guys, Craig here with Bell Camper Sales. I want to show you this awesome 2020 KZ Connect. It's a rear kitchen 231 RK, so it's 23-foot box rear kitchen, full size. You've got the chef's oven set up here with a huge oven, 3-burner top with the griddle in the middle. You've got a scratch-resistant countertops with the rolled edges, so you won't get any water in there. You've got your cutting board with a single basin stainless steel undermount sink with your pull down faucet as well. Tons of storage on the back of this, guys, and you're going to love all the extra storage in a camper. Microwave as well. Storage down here, plenty of space for a trash can. And then you got some more drawers over here. And these are full pull out drawers with the stainless steel ball bearing glide system. Got the 8 cubic foot propane electric refrigerator. The nice big freezer up there. You can put a couple weeks worth of meat up there, no problem. And you'll love this pantry. I know I do. Look how big it is, and it's got an automatic light in there. Plenty of storage for those extra long camping trips. Now in the living room area, which is combined, so you got a nice small couples rig without wasting a lot of space. They designed this real well. So what they've done is they turned the sofa into the dinette. So all you do is spin this to the side, get up and down. It does have recliners in it. They are heated and massaged as well. Now in the living room here, you're going to have your TV standard, soundbar standard, and this is Bluetooth compatible, so you can listen to your own music, turn it up and down, change the channel with your cell phone. Also does have the fireplace in it as well, and you're going to love that because it'll take the chill out of the air on those cool mornings. Now this does have a fully heated and enclosed underbelly with the heat blowing directly into that, so it will warm the floor up. But on those cool mornings, that little electric fireplace, boy, it sure comes in. One of my favorite bathrooms, guys, this is in the 231 RK Connect. Has the big shower in it with the pull screen. It does have storage all the way through back there. Store tons of things. Also has porcelain toilets. Storage under here. Faucet and sink with some more storage for your cabinetry. Now let me show you guys, I want to show you the bedroom of this 231 RK Connect by KZ. It does have the king walk-around bed. This is king size, not queen. It does have the storage on both sides for clothes and hang-ups. It does have 2 nightstands on each side, so 2 different levels, plug-ins on both sides, and those will fit the CPAP machines if you need to, guys. These do have TVs standard with them. You can put a TV in the bedroom as well if you like. And it does have the king and Wi-Fi hookup if you wanted to get Wi-Fi. It's already got it pre-wired for that. Guys, these KZ Connects have a 2-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, and they are very nice aluminum frame fiberglass rigs. Come on down, take a look at Bell Camper Sales, and we'll get you camping.